into it. It's a pretty easy model. So first you need a square sheet of paper. So for this I used one of these. So I guess it's like 1/16 of a A4 maybe, or it's a quarter size of the quarter size paper. Okay, that I always use. So first you want to fold it in half, so we fold it. Then you want to fold the other side in half, just like that. And then you want to bring this edge right here to the center line. Like so. And then you want to go all the way around, alternate. No, that's not the word. Yeah, you just want to go all the way around now. So you want to fold this edge to that center line. Okay, and now you want to fold this edge to the center line. And finally, yeah, this edge right here to that center line right there. Okay. Like so. And then kind of want to put this piece on top. Okay, then you want to fold this under and follow the crease line right here. Okay. And now you see these crease lines right here. So you want to take that point and fold it onto the other point. Okay, so kind of fold right here on the edge. Fold that edge, then you want to fold this piece down. Okay, so there's a crease line right there. Like so, and you're going to go all the way around. Okay, so from that top you want to fold right where the center line is and fold it right across. Okay, same thing here. So you see that crease line, and fold right where the center line is. Then fold down. And lastly, the last piece. So kind of pull that out. Then fold this right across, okay, from the center line. Okay, and fold down on this piece here. Then you see these corners, just fold them right underneath these pockets. This one is kind of crooked. Okay, and here it is. This is the paper clip, chips. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.